You can generate the LOD, level of details, for your high poly meshes inside of Unreal Engine. Click to your static mesh, and here scroll down and find LOD settings. And now you see we have no LOD. The number of triangles and vertices is the same and the LOD is set to 0. So we are going to generate some. Go to LOD group and choose the group what fits the best for your model. I will choose the large prop. It will override it, click on yes, and after some time it will generate the LODs for your static mesh. Now it's done, and you can see we have the LOD 3 here. When I zoom to object, it's switching from 3 to 1 to 2 to 0. We can use lit, level of details coloration, for better visualization of our LOD switching. You can see also the triangles and vertices count is changing in each of the LOD. Switch it back to lit mode, and now when I'm zooming, the LOD is switching and you cannot notice the changes, so it works pretty well. If you want to adjust your LODs, go here to LOD picker and check the custom. It will open your LODs settings and click to reduction settings, and you can set the percentage of triangles or the maximum triangles count to adjust your LOD modes.